In this video, we are going to talk about how you can earn passive money using affiliate marketing even if you are a student or maybe working in a 9 to 5 job. So if you want to earn some extra cash in your spare time, then this video is for you. Now first thing, let's clarify what exactly this passive income means and how you can earn that using affiliate marketing. Now passive income means that you earn money from a source for which you don't have to invest time in recreating that. For example, if you are selling physical goods, then either you have to make those goods yourself and invest a lot of time in recreating that again and again so that you can sell, or there could be a way by which you can sell someone else's product and then just earn commission out of it. And that is how affiliate marketing is done, and you will earn a passive income by creating a system in which you just need to invest time in marketing that product. You don't have to manage inventory, you don't have to manage anything or any time in recreating that product. All you have to do is invest your time in marketing that product so that it can sell and earn you some commission. And of course, it doesn't mean that you don't have to do any work. You definitely have to do work, but you can automate most of its parts. And while doing this affiliate marketing for earning passive income, it drills down to few points. So no matter if you are a student or working professional, it should work for both. And the step number 1 is to identify your interest. Now, you are already in your college and maybe you are doing a 9 to 5 job. You are already frustrated and exhausted with your college and office time. So you cannot do the same thing again in your spare time to earn extra money. You need something which you are very interested in out of your college curriculum or out of your 9 to 5 job. And once you identify that interest, you can do affiliate marketing around it. And this is very important for students especially. If they have interest in something, they can easily start affiliate marketing to earn passive income out of it and then scale it in future, create a full business out of it. And on the other side, if you are a working professional and you have some spare amount of money to invest to create this asset of passive income, you can invest your money in marketing or even hiring someone who can create that digital asset for you, which you can market again and again to sell as a passive income. But in both cases, you need to identify some interest which you can focus on and then do the marketing for affiliate marketing. Now, if in case you are not sure about your interest and the skills that you can use to do affiliate marketing, the best way is to join some courses. Now, you don't have to join a $1,000 course. You can join websites like Skillshare. The link is in the video description. And there you will find hundreds of courses which you can go through, and all that is accessible with a minimal monthly fees. If you have some interest in category A and you have some interest in category B, so you don't have to invest money in separately on both the courses. You can just pay the monthly subscription and watch both the courses and learn the skill which you want to take it forward. And once you identify your interest and skill, and then comes the part number 2, that is creating a strategy for marketing. Now, if you're a student, I'm sure you cannot spend money on advertisement. So the best way to do marketing for earning this affiliate commission is by creating content. But if you are in a 9 to 5 job or a working professional, then you can surely go ahead and spend some money in advertising and selling those affiliate products to earn commission. So based on your choice, you can start planning the strategy for marketing. And then comes the most important part, and that is consistency. And that's the point where many people fail. If you want to grow your affiliate marketing business and earn some passive income, it's very important that you maintain consistency. No matter if you are doing ads, no matter if you are doing content marketing, you need to be consistent in that. And if you keep on doing that, soon you will see that $1,000 a month is becoming a reality for you. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.